Hello everybody, this is our launcher model made in the program Algodoo. We based our experiment on the lab task about projectile motion and managed to make our own project. What Sebastián and I tried to accomplish is this project was to see how much the variety of the angle could vary on the acceleration, range and the change of energies of our launcher. The first launcher has an angle of 30 degrees, the second one 45 degrees, and the third one 60 degrees. We will be testing only the first two launchers one by one because it will be enough to see how this variation of angle really affects in the change of acceleration, energies, and range. Here we will be showing the graph of acceleration over time and kinetic energy and potential gravitational energy over time. We are not showing the graph of range because we calculated the range ourselves. All graphs start with an increasing acceleration from point zero because of the push provided by the spring. Then the ball lose acceleration because they are no longer being pushed by the spring and face the resistance of gravity. After, they regain acceleration because they are now descend, which eliminates the resistance of gravity and it now helps the ball gain acceleration. Then the graphs drop because when the ball hits the ground, the movement is stopped. Each bound this happens, acceleration keeps decreasing with these sudden drops until it becomes a flat decreasing line. There is a noticeable difference in the maximum acceleration on the initial peak. The reason for the difference in the aspect is clearly the angle. This is because gravity, which is the main resistance in the experiment, faces down and so does the force. Because of this, the closer the angle at which the balls were launched vertically, the more direct resistance it would receive. If the angle is less acute, then the trajectory of the balls will be more vertically inclined. Because of this, after their bounce, the balls take a similar angle to the ones they were launched from. Since kinetic energy is based on movement, which is consequence in part of acceleration, the reasoning behind the curves and drops on the graph is basically the same the explanation given before. Potential energy being opposite of kinetic is this also directly related. With both these things, we can conclude that the variation on the angle has minor alteration with the acceleration, while it has more noticeable change in the kinetic and potential energy graph.